Hi there, I'm Dr. King, and one of the things I'm always trying to teach my patients is how to avoid injury and support their workouts, and a great way to do that is by learning how to tape. In this video I'll show you how to do a basic arch taping of the foot so that you can have that extra support that you need. There's tons of different ways to tape. No particular way is necessarily the best way. I teach the way that I teach so that my patients can do it on themselves without a lot of extra help. In addition, this is a great book if you want to learn some additional techniques. So let's get going.
Okay, so let's start by going over a few different types of tape. First off, this is just a non-porous tape from Kramer. You can buy this on Amazon. It comes in various weaves. You want something that's either elastic or more firm. There's, like I said, there's several different types, but this is an 1.5-inch roll. I like it because I can split it into thinner strips, or I can keep it as one wide, but it's not quite as wide as the 2-inch. And you would have tons of this around. So anyway, the other one here would be this is pre-wrap. Very useful if you have hairy feet, and it's easy to get tape on and off by using this. Also is helpful if your skin tends to chafe or rub. The next thing I like to use is this is called Tough Skin. It's also a Kramer product. It's a spray adhesive. The main thing you want to do is spray this on, let it sit for a few minutes, and get tacky. Now I have the scissors and the electrical tape out here. This is a little known secret, but this is probably one of the best ways to practice. This stuff here is like $3 a roll. So if you don't want to break the bank and you still need to get some practice in, which you will if you want to be proficient at learning how to tape yourself, athletic tape is a good way to go. I can't recommend that you put it directly on your skin because it hasn't been tested for contact with human skin, but that's what pre-wrap's for. And you'll need the scissors in order to cut it.
To show you how to do this, I have already sprayed some adhesive on my foot so that we don't have to wait for that to dry, but I'm going to use the pre-wrap so you can see how to apply it. And this is pretty foamy stuff, so you can see it's a little stretchy, but you want to just apply it to the bottom of your foot. It'll stick. Go around just a couple of times and then just pinch it off there, and it should stay, okay? Then you want to grab your tape, and there's a couple ways I might advise you to do this. You can either leave it on the roll like I'm going to right now, or you can pre-rip about 4 strips approximately a foot in length and go that way, okay? So what you're going to want to do, once you have your tape, you want to attach it right to the bottom of your foot, up towards the heel, okay? And you're going to put a firm pull going this direction so that you actually support that arch. Something else I may have forgotten to mention too is you want to keep your toe up and keep your foot at about a 90-degree angle so that you have that arch visible. Alright, I'm going to go around the foot, keep it really light the rest of the way around your foot. You only want tension going up on the inside. Right here, and just rip it right off there. Next piece, about 50% overlap. Again, firm pull. Right around. No tension going around. Tear that one. Again, 50% overlap. Firm pull. Loose the rest of the way. Okay. And if you want, you can always finish it up going around this direction, but I'll do one more strip. Again, 50% overlap. Firm pull. Lightly attach the rest of the way around. Pack it in. There you go.